everyone. My name is Uday Pasha. Because of coronavirus, we are not able to start the classes in our college. So by that reason, we have started the classes from home only. The management has given me an opportunity to take class in business studies from my home. Please be stay home. Please be stay safe. Take care of our family. Take yourself till the completion of these issues in our areas. Please take care. And those who have not enrolled your names, please visit to college, enroll your name. The college timings will be from morning 9 o'clock to afternoon 2 o'clock. Please visit to the college and enroll your name and take the opportunity of online classes. And main important, those who have not paid the fees, please pay the fees in time and you can take the classes from home only. Today I am going to start you class business studies. Second PUC business studies. Here, see, I am starting you business studies. The business studies has been divided into two parts, part A and part B. From today onwards, I am going to start part A. The part A have 8 chapters. That 8 chapters is wholly depend upon the management. The part A is depend upon the management, where we are going to cover 8 chapters from part A with the management concept. Here, chapter 1. Let me start the concept. Chapter 1. Chapter 1 is nature and significance of management. What is chapter 1? Nature and significance of management. According to the university, according to the PU department, in your examination from chapter 1, you will be getting the 1 marks 1 question, 2 marks 1 question, 8 marks 1 question, total 11 marks you will be getting from this chapter for the examination. Let me start the concept. Chapter 1, nature and significance of management. Let us know what is nature and let us know what is the significance of management. Here, nature of management. Nature of management means why we need the management. What is the purpose of management? What is the reason of management in the organization's area? And what is the significance of management? What is the means or what is the objective? What is the main aim of management in the organization? That is the chapter 1 called why. What is the purpose of management? What is the objective of management, where we are learning in chapter 1. That is called chapter 1, nature and significance of management. From this chapter 1 you will be getting total 11 marks for the examination. Let me start the concept with the help of introduction. What is management? What is the need of management? What is the purpose of management? What is the reason of management? Why we need the management? Here, introduction is the world is running with the help of human being. Whatever the activities, wherever the activities, whichever the country, the activities is performing only by the human being. Only by the human being. So, because of that, we need the management. The work we can't do individually. If small work means we can do. In a short period of time, a small activity will be done by a single person. If big work for a long period of time, individual cannot do, individual cannot perform all the activities. So because of that, whatever may be the work for the long period of time, for the big work, we need the people. We will be bringing together for all people and we are taking the help of them and we are giving some activities to them to work with that organization. So they will be getting the management. So that is the introduction to the management. Introduction to the management means an individual cannot perform all the activities, where we are bringing many people from different areas, from different language, from different educational field. We will be bringing different people in one place, and in one place we are giving certain activities to be performed in the area, in the organization. They will be working and we are taking the work from them. That is the management. That is the introduction. Here, let me start with the help of meaning of management. What is the meaning of management? Management means it is an art. Management means what? It is an art as well as it is a process. What is the meaning of management? Management means it is a process where we are getting done through with the help of others. With the help of others, whatever it may be the work. If we are taking the help of others, for example, our neighbors, our relatives, our friends, if we are taking the help from them, that is called management. Management means it is a process where we are getting done through with the help of others with the aim of achieving goals, with the aim of achieving goals of organization, with the aim of achieving the goals of organization effectively and efficiency. This question may arise you for 2 marks. What is the meaning of management? Management means it is a process where we are getting done things done with the help of others, which means we will take the help of others to take the work from them and to achieve the organizational goals in a effectively and efficiently. I know you will be getting in one question in the mind. What is this effectively and efficiently? Yes, obviously these 2 points will be playing an important role in the management. What is the management? The management is depend upon the effectively and efficiently. Once again I repeat, what is the meaning of management? Management means it is a process of getting things, which means it is a process of getting things is nothing but taking the work done with the help of others. We will be taking the help of others to achieve our goals in effectively and efficiently. Now let us go. What is the meaning of effectively and efficiently? Effectively is nothing but the completion of work is on time. Whatever it may be the work, we should complete in a time that is called effectively. And what is efficiently? Efficiently is nothing but the work, completion of work with the minimum cost, with the minimum utilization of resources and maximum benefit to the organization. That is called effectively, efficiency. Effectively is nothing but completion of work on time. Efficiency is nothing but completion of work with the minimum cost, with the minimum utilization of resources and maximum benefit to the organization. That is the first point. Next, the second point is main consideration is end results. The main consideration for the effectively is end result, and main consideration for efficiency is cost. That is the meaning of management. I hope all of you have been understood. Let me go to the next point, the next heading, next important concept you will be getting for this examination. Features of management. What is a feature of management? This is important question where we will be having the different points. For example, features of management. There are 7 features. First point is goal-oriented process, pervasive, multidimensional, continuous process, group activity, dynamic function, intangible force. Let me start with the one by one features of management. The first feature is goal-oriented process. As you have been explained you in the meaning of management only, management is a goal-oriented process. If the organization is small, medium or large, whatever it may be the organization, we will be having the goals to achieve that. That is the first feature of management. Next, second point, pervasive. What is the meaning of pervasive in the management? Pervasive is nothing but universal. Universal is nothing but the management will be available, the management will be useful in all over the world. For example, the management will be used by the colleges, schools, hospitals, banks, offices, multinational companies, international companies, transnational companies, airports, railway systems, wherever you go, you will be finding the management. That is called management, will be called as a universal. I hope you understood. The third point is multi-dimensional. Management is a multi-dimensional. Multi is nothing but plenty. That is called multi is nothing but many dimensionals are there in the org management. Which are those dimensionals? There are three dimensionals in the management. First one is work. Next is people, next is operation. Work is nothing but in the organization there will be work. For that work we will be taking the help of people, and with the help whatever the work we have, with the help of people we will be doing the operations. The operation is combination of work plus people. We will be having work in our organization, and with the help of people, we will be performing the operational activities in the organization. That is called multi-dimensional. I hope you already understood. Once again I repeat, multi-dimensional is nothing but multi is nothing but many. Dimensional is nothing but concepts will be available in the organization. There are three multi-dimensional concepts are there in the management. One is work, people, and operation. Work is nothing but there will be work in the organization. We should complete on time with the help of minimum resources, with the help of minimum cost, and with the maximum benefit to the organization. For that work, we will be taking the help of people, and whatever the work we have, with the help of people, we will be performing the operations in the organization to achieve the organizational goals and aims with a given period. That is called operation. That is the meaning of multi-dimensional. That is the main feature of management. Next, fourth point is